Now this exercise is called factorization, finding HCF of algebraic expressions. These are algebraic expressions. Now you know how to find the HCF of 15 and 60. You studied right from 6th standard. Now for alphabet, when we write the HCF means which is the lowest power. So P squared is lowest, Q squared is lowest. Again here 12, 15 and 8. GCD, which is a number, you should know that. Now in X, this is the lowest. In Y, this is the lowest. So in alphabet, the power with the lowest will become the HCF. Here again A is the lowest, B is the lowest. Now no number is, no HCF number is here, nothing, no common factor. Now second type of factorization, now we go to the real factorization. This is HCF. Now factorization, first we take out the, so we studied HCF for this. So HCF of these two number will be 7, which is the lowest. So we take out the HCF. Now we divide this by that. So 7x goes means 1x is there. 7 divides 28 4 times, x and x cancel. So you understood, you have to take out the HCF and write here. That's why we learned this HCF of algebraic expression. Now here only 3 is the HCF because this is P squared Q squared. So I took out 3. Now next we divide this by that. So 3 goes into 6 2 times, P squared. 3 goes into 15 5 times, Q squared. Again here 10 is the HCF, A is the lowest, B is the lowest. Now divide this by this, 1A is left, divide this by this, 2B is left. Again here 3 variables are there, we take out 4, again A and B, and we divide. So you learn how to do this. This is important even in higher class. Now another type of further factorization is 4 expressions, 4 values we have. First we take this. Now see, I have rewritten this in a different way. So I wrote x6. So what happened when I first take out for these two? For these two I took out the, so we separate into two parts. So first I took the nothing common, so 1. Here in these two, y is the common factor or HCF, then dividing, we got this. Now if you look at this, here x minus 6 is the same. So again in this we are taking common factor, 1 minus y, x minus 6. So twice we are doing the factorization step. Now again in this y squared is coming out, the HCF is y squared, so I got 3 plus 5. Here no number, so 3 plus. Now again in these two, both this is common, so y squared plus 1, and we write the common. Again in this one also I took out the common, 3y. Here I took out the common, 5p. Again these two are same, so 3y plus p into 3x plus 2.